What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm at CVS. I am getting my CRTs, which are the CVS store coupons here at the coupon center, and we are going to be doing the digital deals of the week. So let's see if we got some good CRTs to match with the digital coupons, and let's jump into the deals. Okay guys, firstly we're going to be doing super simple. We have these mini eggs on sale 2 for $2, and when you buy 2 you get $1 in extra bucks. Now last week we did have a CRT that printed out that takes $1 off when you buy 2 of these, so we're going to be paying $1 for 2. We'll be getting $1 back in extra bucks, and this will be completely. Another super extremely easy deal is going to be on this dish soap, and I need you guys to let me know how you pronounce it because I feel like I always get my tongue twisted on it. So they are on sale for $1.99. I have a $1 off 1 CRT, so it's going to bring it down to 99 cents. And then we have a 25-cent off digital, so it's only going to be 75 cents for 1. Next deal is going to be on the lady speed stick and the men's speed stick. They are on sale 2 for $6, and when you buy 2 you get $2 in extra bucks. I'm going to be grabbing one of these, and we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. I'm going to be grabbing one of the men's one, and we also have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. So super easy. It is going to be $5 for 2 of these after the digital coupons. We're going to get $2 back, making it only $3 for 2, which is $1.50 each. Now I have seen a $1 off 2 CRT for these, so if you guys have one of those, this will be a much better deal. Next deal we're doing is going to be on the Chic razors. These are buy 2 and get $10 back in extra bucks. So I'm going to be getting one of these Skintimate Bloom razors that's priced $10.99, and we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon in the CVS app. We are also going to be grabbing one of the men's Chic Hydro priced at $11.99. You guys can either grab this one or this one, and we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon in the CVS app. Now I'm also going to be using a 5 off 20 shave CRT. So doing the full math, we have the women's for $10.99 plus the men's for $11.99, bringing us to $22.98. We're going to subtract the 5 off 20 CRT, $6 for the digital coupons, bringing us to $11.98 minus $10 in extra bucks, making it $1.98 for 2 of these, which is 99 cents each. Okay guys, next deal I'm going to be combining 2 cosmetics deal. The first one is going to be on the Neutrogena. They are buy 2 and get $6 in extra bucks. I am going to be grabbing some of the makeup face wipes, the ones that are priced $7.29, and we do have a $3 off 1 digital coupon in the CVS app, and I also have a $3 off 1 CRT. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of these. Now the next cosmetic deal that I'm going to be combining with the Neutrogena is going to be CoverGirl. These are also buy 2 and get $6 in extra bucks. So I'm going to be grabbing one of these concealers here priced at $7.99, and we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon for these. I'm also going to be grabbing a CoverGirl mascara, but I do recommend opening up the CVS app, going to the little scan barcode and scanning the mascara you're going to grab, because we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon for these, but that digital coupon doesn't always attach to all the mascaras. So here are my 4 items, and when I scanned this mascara in the CVS app, this one was attaching to the $3 off 1 digital coupon, so you guys can grab this one guaranteed. Now to do the full breakdown, I am going to be combining a $5 off 25 cosmetic CRTs for all these items. So it's going to be $7.29 for the wipes times 2, plus $10.99 for the mascara, plus $7.99 for the concealer. That is going to bring us to $33.56. Now to subtract the 5 off 25 CRT, the $3 off Neutrogena CRT, subtracting the $3 off Neutrogena digital, and then $6 for the CoverGirl digitals. That is going to bring us to $16.56. We are going to get $12 back in extra bucks, and then remember we hit beauty, so we're going to get $3 back in beauty, making it only $1.56 for all 4 items. Just 39 cents. Okay guys, next deal isn't much of a deal, but I really like these Dove body polish and I need some, so I'm gonna get some for myself. I do have a couple of CRTs. I have a $3 off 1, I have a $4 off 2, and there also is a $1.50 off digital coupon for these. And they're also on promotion for buy 2 and get the 3rd free, so I'm gonna be getting 3 of them. It's gonna be $8.69 times 2 since we're getting 1 free, bringing us to $17.38. We are going to subtract the $1.50 digital, we're going to subtract the $3 CRT, and the $4 CRT, making it only $8.88 for 3 of them, which is $2.96 each. Next thing we're doing is going to be for the spend $30 and get a $10 cash card. We're going to be getting some Herbal Essence. They are 2 for $12. For these, there is a $4 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a $2 off 12 CRT for this one as well. On top of the Herbal Essence, we are going to be grabbing some Huggies. These are 2 for $20. I'm going to be grabbing 1 pack, and we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. I'm also going to be grabbing some pull-ups, and we have a $2 $2 off 1 digital coupon for these as well. Here are my 4 items, and for the Huggies, we are going to be using a 3 off 15 CRT and a $2 off 2 CRT as well. Doing the full breakdown, we have $20 for the Huggies plus $12 for the Herbal Essence, bringing us to $32. We are going to subtract the $4 off 2 for the Herbal Essence, the $2 off 12 CRT. Now the Huggies, we're going to subtract $4 in digital coupons. We're going to subtract the 3 off 15 CRT and the 2 off 2 CRT. That's going to bring us to $17. We are going to get $10 in a cash card, making it only $7 for all 4. But we do have an Ibotta rebate. It does expire soon, but it normally does reset where you get $1 back for the pull-ups, making this only $6 for all 4, which is $1.50 each. Now, if you guys are lucky enough for your store to carry the Pull-Ups New Leaf, there is a $3 off 1 digital coupon. You guys can grab that pack instead, and then there is a $3 back Ibotta rebate. So that'll be an even lower out-of-pocket for all 4 items. Okay guys, now let's move on to some digital deals that I am not going to be doing. I'm going to be skipping out on these. The first deal is going to be on the Easy Ups. They're on sale 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you get $5 in extra bucks. Now we do have a $4 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 15 CRT. So doing the full math, it's $20 for 2 minus the $4 digital, the $3 off 15 CRT, bringing us to $13. We'll get $5 back, making this only $8 for the 2 packs. Next day is going to be on the Colgate Total Toothpaste. These are buy 2 and get $4 in extra bucks. And then we also have a $4 off 2 digital coupon. Doing the full breakdown, at my store they're priced $5.19, and we're going to get 2, bringing us to $10.38. We're going to subtract the $4 off digital coupon. We're going to subtract the $4 in extra bucks, making this $2.38 for 2, which is $1.19. Now I know that's definitely not a good price for these, but you guys might have some better CRTs. You guys might have a $2 off 2 Colgate or any CRTs to stack with this, and it'll make it a better deal. Now another deal that's not the best deal, we have these Oral-B floss picks. They are priced $7.59 here at my store, and we do have a $2 off 2 digital coupon for these, and you also get $2 back in extra bucks when you buy 1. Doing the full math, it is going to be $7.59 minus the $2 digital, the $2 in extra bucks, making this only $3.59 for the pack. Like I said, not the best deal, but if you guys happen to have a $3 off 12 oral care, you can match this deal with the Colgate deal, and it'll be an even lower out of pocket for all 3 items. Next deal, a very common deal. We've done it like almost 4 weeks in a row. We have the Gillettes. You buy 2 and you get $8 in extra bucks. Now I didn't get any really good CRTs this week for this deal, which is why I'm skipping out on it, but if you guys did, we have the Gillette Mach 3 for $9.99. If you guys have a $5 off 2 CRT, a $5 off 20, a $3 off Gillette, you guys can use all these CRTs, and this could be a money maker for you. Now I do have the written breakdown in my Google Doc in the description, so you guys can check that out. Alright guys, this is going to be the last digital deal of the week, and I am going to be skipping out on this one as well. We have the Stay Free pads, buy 1 get 1 free, and when you spend $12 you get $3 in extra bucks, and we also have a $3 off 2 digital coupon. You can either get the Stay Free pads or the Carefree liners. I will have a breakdown for both in my description in the Google Doc. Now I'm going to do a quick breakdown with the Stay Free pads, but I did want to quickly mention at my store they're priced $7.99. You have to make sure they are not priced any lower than $7.99, because when you buy 2 of them you will not be at that 98% rule to get the $3 in extra bucks, so they do need to be priced $7.99 or higher so that you can get the $3 back. Doing the full breakdown, it is $7.99 times 1.5, bringing us to $11.98. We're going to subtract the $3 off 2 digital, the $3 in extra bucks we get back, making it $5.98 for 2, which is $2.99 each. Now I know that is a high out of pocket, but if you guys have some CRTs to use with this, then it'll be a great deal. Alright guys, everything went as planned. It went so perfect. So to show you guys the coupons that applied, all the digitals applied perfectly. The Herbal Essence, CoverGirl, Chic, Neutrogena, Huggies, Pull-Ups, Dove, the Speed Sticks, and for the dish soap. So everything applied. All my CRTs applied as well. Everything went so perfect, guys. I ended up rolling $38 in extra bucks. My subtotal was $23.16 plus that beautiful California tax. And I did end up getting all of my extra bucks back. I got $35 in extra bucks back plus $3 in beauty that I'm gonna get in 48 hours. So I rolled an even amount of extra bucks, and then I'm gonna get $1 back from Ibotta. So essentially it should be $22.16 for 18 items. So doing a final math for this video, I am gonna be submitting my receipt to Ibotta, so it's gonna be $22.16 for all of my items, and I got 18 items. So that is going to be $1.23 per item. Definitely not bad at all. We got diapers, we got that Dove polish, we got some makeup. So definitely a really good deal, guys. I do have the Google Doc in the description if you guys want to check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.